Hello everyone. This month's protein shake flavor is banana split. We're going to start with pouring in some almond milk, which is unsweetened, into our container, followed by some banana extract. Now you can actually use frozen bananas if you choose, but I'm cutting back on the carbs, so I am using the flavor. And to this, we're going to add our already pre-measured protein shake meal planner. This is a time saver, you guys. It's already been pre-measured with the protein powder, the sweetener, and a pinch of salt. Next, add in your frozen strawberries. Then, some ice cubes. And get ready to blend. Now this is ready. Okay, pour your shake into your serving container. Top with some melted chocolate. Followed by some chopped nuts, as many or as little as you like. Then get ready to enjoy this protein-packed banana split smoothie.